morning. So today, Cole is going to be changing the oil in my generator for me. It's a Makita generator, model number G5710r. It's a 5700 watt generator. We think it takes a quart of oil. Yeah, we had to use it last week for a power outage. We ran it for about 8 hours. So time to change the oil. And I'm going to let Cole take it from here.
Okay. So guys, I got my sockets out. It takes a 14 socket, of course a wrench, and then I also am using a piece of plastic because we had to lift the generator up to get this oil pan underneath it, and the bolt right here to take out the oil. So we didn't know if it was going to squirt out or not, so we have a piece of plastic here so it doesn't ruin the driveway. First, what we're going to want to do is take out the bolt. Might need to go careful on this. Yep. Gear bar, please.
Explain what a gear bar is.
So guys, I'm getting a gear bar out. So what it is, it's a piece of metal or a scrap piece of tubing that you put on the end of it. It doesn't have to be metal, it can be plastic, but I suggest metal because it's way stronger. So guys, while this is draining out, I'm going to show you where to fill it up at. So you fill it up right here. But, so it's like practically a built-in dipstick to this thing. Pull it out, you have a little miniature dipstick. But right here in this hole, there's about 10 layers of threads right here. You want to fill the oil up to about the first layer of thread. Oh, and I suggest when you're taking oil out to start the engine, make it warm, and it'll come out easier.
You can help me download a few pictures to the
Guys, it's just about done with the process of draining out. So what I'm gonna do, since this is a different generator, it does have an oil filter, so you're supposed to change it every 5 to 8 hours. Because if you have oil filters, you can go a little bit longer on oil, but so you have to change the oil more often on this thing. Because no oil filter, so oh well. I'm gonna take a rag, clean it all up. Throw it back in. And then change the setting wrench. Okay, now, oil. So, as of right now, we don't know where the oil is. So, we got a quart of oil. Sorry for that cracking noise, but got a quart of oil because we're reading the directions here and it doesn't say anything about oil. So I know what kind of engine this is and stuff like that and how big it is. So I'm guessing a quart of oil. So we can see if this fills it up or not. And another good way to check, if you have an empty bottle of oil, you can dump the oil from the oil pan into empty bottle of oil, and you can see how much is in it. That's another good way. I've used that many times, but I'm just going to use this today. Just trying something different. Different way. Open that up. Handy dandy piece of plastic. Oops. My bad. So I'm going to get you guys a little closer in just a second. Hold on. There we go. Now you guys might be able to see a little better. Good. Okay. Time to dump the oil in. I'll be right back because I need a funnel. I'm back. Okay. How is this? That one's definitely not going to work. Longer one. Oh. What the heck? sorry for all this running back. We're gonna get back to the project now. Okay, let's see where we're at. It might take more than a quart, guys. Well, guys, we might have to go tell my dad that we need to get more oil, because that right there was not enough oil. It just filled the bottom of the pan, so we're gonna have to go get more oil, which I didn't feel like doing today. Oh well. And yes, I do need to go to school soon. So let's be on our way. Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
We need more than 1 quart. It just filled the bottom of the pan.
You said what?
All 1 quart of oil only filled the bottom of the pan. So we're gonna
You gotta help me
get
with something.
more oil.
You need more? There's another quart on the workbench.
Okay. So I got lucky. My dad just said 1 more quart of oil. So that will be good. And we can get back to the project and actually finish it this time. Stuff like that. So I'm gonna straighten you guys back up. Oh, that was a loud squeak. That was a very loud squeak. Okay. Ka-chow. Ka-chow, chow, chow, chow. Okay. Let's go back in. So guys, I didn't even put that much oil in it, and it just overflowed. So I mean, see right there, it only went down like 1 inch or so on the bottom. Guess we can save this bottle for next video or something like that, whenever we change the oil again in something else. Oh yeah, and I forgot to tell you guys, but I might be a little mad. Yesterday I made a vlog, but I was trying to do all the editing and uploading on my phone. My phone ran out of storage, so that was a no-go. So today I'm trying to upload it from the camera to the computer instead of my phone. I thought that'd be a little smarter choice. Okay, well, now the oil is back in. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next one. Talk to you guys later.